If you clicked on this video, there's probably only one question going through your mind right now, and that is, how in the heck do I invite a Discord bot? Well, that's what we're here to do. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to assume that you already have the bot that you want to invite in mind. If you don't, that's okay. You can always go to Google, search Discord bots. There's plenty of resources there. Or, and probably better yet, just ask other people. Find out what they like, what they use, and that will probably help you find a bot that will work well in your community. After you have the bot that you want to invite in mind, however, you actually have to go and invite it. In this case, I want to invite Statbot. Statbot is a data collection, analysis, and automation tool for Discord. Now, you can see that I'm already on the Statbot website. Not every bot has a website, and we'll go into how to invite a bot through a command, which is another common way of doing so shortly after this. So since we're on the Statbot website, we're just going to scan the page for something that says invite. Here we can see at the top it says invite Statbot, so we're going to click that. Now if you're not already logged in, Discord is going to ask you to log in now. As long as it says discord.com at the top, you're in good hands. The second thing that we'll notice is that it says this requires you to have the managed server permission in the server. If we go to the server settings, roles, we'll see the managed server permission right here. Now this allows somebody to change various settings about the server, but it also allows them to invite bots. So in this case, I am the owner of the server. I have the managed server permission implicitly. Administrators also have this permission implicitly. You do not have to explicitly give them that permission. I do not have that permission in this other server, however, so that's why you see that it does not show up in the list. So we're going to select the server that we want to invite the bot to, and we're going to click continue. And now if you stop the video in 10 seconds, that's fine. Just make sure to uncheck administrator permission before you click authorize. Reason being is nothing needs administrator to operate. And if it does, it's lying. You can always get permissions to do something through other means. Administrator is just kind of like a shortcut, right? It gives somebody all the permissions so that you don't have to worry about fine-tuning them. But there's no reason to give a bot administrator except for testing purposes. So in this case, we're going to uncheck it. And we're going to go through, we're going to leave everything else as is, we're going to click authorize, and then we'll see that the bot has been invited to the server. So the first thing that you can do after the bot is invited to the server is either it will send you a direct message about some information about the bot. It might drop a message in the top channel of your server with some information about the bot. Or in the case of a bot not doing that, what you can do is you can check the watching status or the playing status. Generally speaking, a bot will have a status. And that might tell you what the prefix is for the bot and also how to run the help command. So in this case, we see s?help. That's telling us that's how we can run the help command. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to just run that help command down here real quick, and we can see, oh, there's all sorts of commands. There's one that we want to make note of for those of you that cannot find a website for the bot that you want to invite. Oftentimes a bot will have an invite command. So long as you know what the prefix is, you can just run that. Oop, typos. And the bot will usually either DM you or just send you the invite link in the channel that you sent the command in. So this invite link will also generally be the exact same as before, all the same stuff as before. And if you go to invite a bot a second time, it's not going to do anything different. However, it will overwrite the permissions, the new permissions, when you go to invite it a second time. So it's just one thing to keep in mind. And well, that's it. And honestly, congratulations, because you've just learned one of the most important things you can know as a Discord community builder. It may not seem like much, but bots open a gateway to so much utility and so much power that you otherwise would not have. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, you know the deal. Hit like, get subscribed, and ding that notification bell to be alerted as soon as more videos like this and many more are released.